Hello student, welcome to the Max Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the selection process of HPCL examination and what is the minimum essential requirement of a cutoff or particular separate marks for each and every section, and what is the further steps and what you need to requirement as per the instruction given in the advertisement. So all these things we are discussing in this video. So let's begin with the video. So the first selection process consists of 4 stages. First stage is computer based test, which is consist of 85% weightage, and second is group task, third is personal interview, and fourth one is the final score of combination of all 3 steps. The first stage, which is a CBT exam, which is conducted by HPCL, and the answer sheet is also declared released. So in that you need to secure minimum 50% marks in each and every sections. Like there are 2 sections. One of consists of domain like your domain like engineering, mechanical engineering, and other one is engineering aptitude, technical engineering aptitude, reasoning and English. In that total marks was 85. These 3 sections, and apart from that there is technical, which consists of 85 marks. You need to secure minimum 43 marks in technical part, and next 43 marks out of 85 for general aptitude, English and reasoning. And overall you need to secure 60% marks. Like suppose a candidate, he's got 43 marks in technical and 44 marks in aptitude, reasoning and English, and if both combined, if you ranging around 94-95 marks, you did not qualify that examination, because you need to secure minimum 60% marks, overall 60% marks. Then you will go with the next group task. So minimum cutoff required is 102 if consider the overall 60% of 170 marks. So 43 marks for technical, 43 marks for reasoning, and overall you need to secure 102 marks for minimum criteria to go with the next round. After that, once you clear the first stage, you need to go with the group task. In that you need to give the 5% weightage, and for the general EWS candidate you need to secure minimum 40% marks in group task, and for the reserve candidate you need to secure 33.33%. for the reserve candidate you need to secure these percentage in group task. If you not secure minimum criteria, then you are getting out from the selection process. After clearing the second round, they go with the personal interview, which is consist of the 10% of overall weightage. And for the open candidate or unreserved candidate, you need to secure 40% marks for personal interview, and for reserve candidate 33.33 marks. And after that, the final score is declared based on all the 3 steps which I have discussed earlier. Once you clear all these steps and selected as the final, then you need to go for the medical test, and medical test is conducted by HPCL hospital, and just you need to go and do the basic test like urine test, liver and eye and ear, all these things you need to check there. And after that, once you clear with the medical, you have posted with a HPCL subsidiaries, and after that you need to serve the probation period. Like they have a probation period of 1 year, and during the probation period they deduct a certain amount like 5,000 rupees for the first 6 months. Once the probation is finished, then you go with the actual pay, and the amount which you have deducted in retention period, probation period, the amount get refunded back after once you confirm in the organization. After that, once you selected, then enjoy your life. Meanwhile, a few of the candidates asking about what is the cutoff marks and what is the minimum range, so that we can go with the group task and other steps. So as you are aware of that, total of 51,788 candidates appear for mechanical display for the post of engineer. In that, if you observe that only 75 to 80% are attendance ranges in each and every examination. Around 40,000 students appear in this examination, and in that due to no negative marking, the cutoff is slightly more as compared to other. So if you got the marks around the 140 and 145, then definitely you go with the group task and other prepare for the interview. But if you got the marks in the range of 110 and 130, the chances are less but not sure about that because the separation criteria is already defined. You need to secure minimum percentage in minimum like each and every part, each and every stage of examination. So might be the chances 130 is also go with the interview round. So if you get the 130 marks, you also focused on interview, and but the 140 marks is the base. Like definitely you would crack this examination 140 145 marks for the mechanical discipline. Similarly applicable for other discipline as well. So if you have any queries, do comment below and give your feedback in a comment box. Thank you for watching this video.